Dear students, now I am going with one more example to represent the given statement problem in the form of a quadratic equation. The question is, Rohan mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. So we need to find the age of Rohan. So here it's very clear that Rohan's mother is aged 26 years older than him. So him is nothing but Rohan. He is the unknown. So let Rohan's age be X years. So now we can write the age of Rohan's mother. Rohan's mother's age becomes X plus 26 years because she is 26 years older than him. Now, product of their ages means don't take the product of this one because the question continued. The product of their ages 3 years from now. 3 years from now means from now 3 years we need to add to both. After 3 years. Or you can write 3 years from now, or you can write 3 years hence. After 3 years, Rohan's age becomes, first it was X, now it becomes X plus 3 years. And Rohan's mother age becomes, first it was 26, now 3 more added, so that becomes X plus 29 years. Now according to question now, the product of their ages 3 years from now. So from 3 years, product of their ages, Rohan age is X plus 3 years into X plus 29 is the age of his mother, and totally it becomes 360. It is what they have given. Product of their ages after 3 years becomes 360. Now you simplify this by taking the product of these two. So it's very simple to multiply. Keep one as constant, and first term, second term you can divide. X into X plus 29 plus 3 into X plus 29, that is equal to 360. Now multiply X into X square plus 29 into X plus 3 into X plus 29 into 3. That is 9 3s are, it is 27, 2 carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 87. That is equal to 360. Now once again write in standard form X square. This is together. You are going to get 32X plus 87 minus 360. This is nothing but X square plus 32X minus 273 equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Students, now I am going to take one more example related to the framing the quadratic equation. So this is related to the speed, time and distance related question. Here a train is traveling at a distance, traveled a distance of 480 km with uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, so definitely it is going to take some hours more, that is what, 3 hours more. So then we need to find the speed of the train. So basically you should know the formula related to speed, distance and time related formula. Speed is equal to distance by time. However, here in terms of time they have given, so therefore I am going to write this as, just by cross multiplying this, T is equal to D by S. So time can be identified or calculated using the relation distance by its speed. So here speed is the unknown, so it's very easy to identify. Let the speed of the train x kilometer per hour, and how much of distance it is going to cover. So distance covered is, they have given, that is what, 480 kilometers. So with the speed of this x kilometer per hour, how much time it is going to take? Now time taken to cover 480 kilometers is equal to 480 by x, using this relation. So time is equal to distance by speed. So now this is hours. Time taken, how much time taken? 480 by x hours. So now the new speed. The new speed is how much? It is, the speed had been 8 km per hour less. So that is, new speed is, first it was x, now it is 8 km less. So therefore x minus 8 km per hour. Now how much time it is going to take? So now time taken is equal to, once again distance doesn't change us, that remains 480 only, divided by x minus 8 is the new speed. This is hours once again. So both are in hours, don't make any confusion. 480 by x hours, 480 by x minus 8 hours. So this is with the original speed, this is with the decrease in speed. So definitely the time will increase. So according to question, so now we need to combine these two. So by, it's very easy to write, when the train is going with a speed of x minus 8 hours, x minus 8 kilometer per hour, so then the time taken is 480 by x minus 8. So this time is equal to what actually the time it is going to take, 480 by x. So because of decrease in speed, so now it is going to take 3 hours more. Just understand this. This is time, this is also time, this is also time. In terms of time we are expressing, in terms of time we are expressing 480 by x minus 8 hours. So this is when the speed is decreased 8 hours per hour. 8 km per hour it is less. So therefore 480 by x minus 8, that is equal to, this is the time. So the new time, that is equal to how much? Because of decrease in speed, 480 by x is the original time, original speed when it is when the train is going, that time it is going to take 480 by x hours. So because of decrease in speed, it is going to take 3 hours more. So just we are going to keep on simplifying this. So 480 by x minus 8, just I am shifting this to this side, 480 by x, that is equal to 3, I am going to write as it is. So x minus 8 into x is the LCM for these two. So then this becomes x minus 8, x minus get cancels, 480 into x minus, here xx cancels, 480 into x minus 8, that is equal to 3. So just multiply 480x minus 480x, minus into minus plus. See, if you multiply, you are going to get 480 into 8, 3840, that is equal to, once again, divided by x into x, x square, minus 8 into x, 8x, that is equal to 3. So now cross multiply, and this 480 plus x minus 480x get cancels. So rest is 3840, that is equal to, cross multiply this. So then you are going to get 3x square minus 8 3s are 24x. Once again write in standard form, then you are going to get 3x square minus 24x minus 3840, that is equal to 0. So this is the required standard form of quadratic equation. Thank you.